Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about genetic disorders. First of all we will discuss the sickle cell anemia disorder. Sickle cell anemia means the particular RBCs convert into the sickle cell. First of all it is discovered by Herrick in 1910. He first of all checked that if a particular person is suffering from the sickle cell anemia disease, their RBCs become in a sickle shape structure. वो उनकी आरबीसी जो होती हैं वो हंसिए के आकार की हो जाती है. नाउ दिस सिकल सेल एनीमिया इज ऑल्सो autosomal recessive disorder. What is the meaning of autosomal recessive disorder? It means the chances of this disorder in male and female both equal. यानी मेल और फीमेल दोनों इससे इफेक्टेड हो सकते हैं. We know that the human being's hemoglobin is made up of two types of chains. They are known as 2-alpha chain and 2-beta chain. In the case of beta chain of hemoglobin, at position 6, glutamic acid is replaced by the valine. For example, in the case of normal human beings, this HbA denotes the normal human being, which RBCs are as usual normal. They have got a CTC. It is a nitrogenous triplet code. This CTC, after the transcription, it converts into GAG. Cytosine, thymine and cytosine convert into guanine, adenine and guanine. This GAG is responsible for the glutamic acid. This GAG is responsible for a glutamic acid, and this glutamic acid is act as like a amino acid in a normal human beings. But whenever this GAG, the A adenine, is replaced by uracil, then this GAG convert into GUG, and this GUG is now responsible for the another types of amino acid which is known as valine. And wherever a particular person have A is replaced by U, now these person have got GUG. We know that GUG is represent the valine or valine amino acid. Further, after that, wherever the individual have got the valine, then different types of symptoms arise in their body. Which types of symptoms? For example, oxygen holding capacity will decrease by the RBCs, and further, after some time, many types of RBCs they burst and they convert into the sickle shaped. It's like the sickle shaped structure, and their shape, the shape of the RBC is further converted to the sickle shape. So these two types of symptoms they arise in a particular human beings, those are suffering from the sickle cell anemia disease. HbA is responsible for the normal human being, and HbS is responsible for the sickle cell anemic disease. Now with the help of different types of questions, we can easily understood. First question is a normal man if marriage with a sickle cell anemic female. We will give answer in next video.